To change paragraph style to intense emphasis in Word document on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, open Microsoft 365, swipe up home screen to access the app screen, and then find Microsoft 365, tap it. Next, select your Word document for assemble this document, and then tap edit. Next, select your Word document, select your paragraph you want to change style. For example, this paragraph. Next, tap up arrow icon, scroll down the screen, select style, and then scroll the style screen. Next, tap intense emphasis. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.